All right, so let's start by looking at the second sign here. It's a negative. So that means the signs that you plug in are going to be different. And then you need two terms, this term and this term, to multiply to give you x squared. So that's just going to be x and x. Then you need this term and this term to multiply together to give you 42. And since the signs are different, we need those numbers to have a difference of 11. So might be kind of tough to figure that out, how they're 11 apart. So if they have a difference of 11, let's just start with 0 and 11. 0 times 11 is 0, so it's not 42. 1 and 12, they have a difference of 11, but if you take 1 and you multiply by 12, you get 12, so that doesn't work. 2 and 13, that has a difference of 11. Multiply them together and you get 26. We're closer to multiplying together to get 42. So let's keep going. 3 and 14, they are 11 apart, and 3 times 14 is 42. So we know we found the numbers, 3 and 14. Now, if I want negative 11, we need the 14 to be negative and the 3 to be positive. So let me plug that in here. And so now we should have it factored. But let's go through it and make sure. Let's check our answer by multiplying everything. Let's take x times x right here, and that's going to be x squared. That's going to be negative 11x. This is going to be 3x, and this is going to be negative 33. So x squared, negative 11 plus 3 is, did I mess something up? I put 3 and 11 in there. Does it have it? Oh, it should have 3 and 14. It should be 3 and 14. Okay, so now change this to 14. And see, I knew I was going to catch my mistake right there. If I had, negative 11 plus 3, that would be negative 8. That's not negative 11 up here. So we know this is going to be a 14. So let's change that. There we go. Negative 14 plus 3, that's negative 11x. And then bring down the 33. No, I messed that up too. 3 times 14. 3 times 14 is 42. So that messed up two of my terms. Okay, so now minus 42. And now it does match up with what we have above. And that's why we always want to multiply this through to check to make sure we have the right answer. So x plus 3 in one parentheses, x minus 14 in the other.